Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go guys Lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava mobile guys Bluetooth setting. And today video title is guys how to pair Bluetooth device in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to connect any Bluetooth device, Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headphone in Lava mobile. So friends, how to connect one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, in your Lava mobile open your phone Bluetooth setting, and Bluetooth setting is off. So friends, first of all turn on device Bluetooth. After turn on Bluetooth guys, refresh your Bluetooth setting. After refresh friends, you can check your nearby device available network, Bluetooth speaker, headphones, earbud, earphones. So friends, select your device. Friends, I will select my Bluetooth speaker. Right click here, pair option where device will pair, device will connect with your Lava mobile, and now you can use it. Pair device. So like that friends, you can connect, you can pair Bluetooth device in your Lava mobile. And if you click here, so friends, you can forget your Bluetooth device. After forget, you cannot use again the device in your Lava mobile. Again friends, if you select your Bluetooth device, Bluetooth speaker, so friends you can see pair option. Again if you click here pair option, then you can use. If you click cancel option, so you cannot pair. And friends, you can check your mobile Bluetooth device name, and you want to rename your Bluetooth device name, you can rename. So friends, I will name here Bluetooth Lava mobile. So friends, we have limit, we cannot use, so only Bluetooth Lava. And if you click here, so Bluetooth setting will off and you cannot pair any device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.